just like that. It exploded right in front of me.
Oh, Unc, you crack me up. All your stories end with an explosion.
Oh, crumpets and raspberries. What's he done now?
Manny, get back here now.
Uh-oh.
Huh, looks like somebody got up on the wrong side of the bed this morning.
Ugh, the right side, actually. But Manny's at it again. Now, where is he? There you are. Get back here, you naughty boy. Take that. Uh-oh.
Ah, you two! I've told you before, no pranks in my cafe. Now look what you've done to your baguette.
We're sorry, Lester. Manny? Good as new. Me too, Manny.
Sorry, Moley, that was my last baguette. All I have left are these lovely veggie smoothies.
Ta-da! Some new treats from Lester.
Oh, golly, those don't look very appetizing.
Yeah. Sorry, there was a little accident.
Ooh, these are scrummy. Lester's new veggie smoothies. Ooh, I've not tried that one yet. Go on, have a taste.
Well, here goes nothing.
Delicious.
What was that?
What? You guys don't like it?
Give me a nice, warm, juicy baguette any day. Mmm.
Or a succulent worm burger.
Moley, there are some lovely worm and grub-free foods. You should be more open-minded, like Dotty.
Hey, try this. This is my favorite.
I think I've lost my appetite.
Yeah, me too.
Personally, I think all moles should go worm-free and stop harming other creatures. Just think, if the Great Keeper could do it, maybe others would follow.
You're right. We can do it, can't we, Manny? A worm-free lifestyle.
Wow, really, Moley? That would be so cool. I tell you what, if you can last 2 whole days without eating a single worm or grub, I will organize the best party ever. And it will be so awesome.
Wow, 2 days. I don't think I could last 2 minutes without a succulent worm or grub.
What? 2 days?
Did you hear that, Squirmy? A worm-free diet? That mole will never make it. You know what? If we can lure that mole away from a book with food, we can grab it. And I have just the bait.
I will prepare a lovely worm-free picnic later. Au revoir.
Good luck, Moley.
Let's just keep your mind off of food. I have just a distraction. Why don't you help me hand out these leaflets for the rescue center?
Oh, did you hear that, Manny? I really need a snack.
Delicious free snacks. Come and get one. Roll up. Ah, welcome. Ooh, what food would you like? Juicy worm platter?
Oh, I'd love to, but I can't. Do you have anything else?
Worm on a stick? What about a squirmy wormy cupcake?
Or maybe just one tiny cupcake won't do any harm, will it?
Help yourself.
Molly, what are you doing? Was that a worm on a cupcake I saw?
Oh, sorry, Dotty. I don't know what came over me.
You have to resist the urge, Moley. Dig deep. Maybe Uncle Mishmosh can keep you busy.
Drat that book.
Unc, I have a hungry mole here who needs something to keep his mind off of food. What are you working on?
Oh, nothing.
Uncle Mishmosh, he needs your help.
This is just something for Lester at the cafe. Nothing to see here.
Is that food?
Uh-oh.
Nothing to see here. Nothing. Ow!
Oh, look! It's raining baguettes!
you holding up?
Oh, Dotty, to be honest, not good. I can't wait for the picnic.
I'm sorry, Moley. I didn't realize how hard this would be for you. Imagine how hard it is for the worms.
Let's just hope Mona Lisa's packed some lovely food. I can't wait.
There they are, Squirm.
Bonjour, Molly. Bonjour, Dotty. I've been working on this all afternoon.
Yeah. Swap that one. Yes. Swap it, swap it, swap it.
I've had Lester prepare this food especially. Oh, you will love it. Wait, that's odd. Oh, no!
Oh, Grubs!
Grab it, Manny, quick!
No, stop! Come back! No!
Oh, no! Lester must have got the order mixed up. I am so sorry, Molly.
We just need a way to calm you down. Meditation, maybe? I bet Mystic Mole can help.
Ah, those bothersome moles.
Oh, my goodness, will you leave me be? Oh, what now?
Mystic, you gotta help. Moley promised he'd go worm-free, but he's the mayor of Struggletown right now.
Oh, my.
Oh, Mystic, I really can't do this. I thought I could, but I have a whole nother day of this. But you must, Moley. You promised Dotty and Mona. I've told you. I can't. But you must. No. Yes, no. Yes, no. Moley, you must do this. What? Who's speaking now?
He's delirious. Look at him. Oh, maybe I should just let him eat some worms. I didn't know it would turn him cuckoo.
No, you must find inner peace. I have some tasty boiled rice for dinner. You join us in the morning for meditation.
I don't know. Rice is a bit bland. But if you're sure.
Inner peace. Inner peace.
That's where they've been hiding. Come on, Squirmy.
Rise and shine, Moley. Last day.
He's not doing well. I think he was dreaming of baguettes. When I woke up, all my pillows were gone.
Ah, look, Squirm. The book's asleep. Now's our chance.
Oh, well.
Ha-ha! Let's keep it up, Squirm. They'll soon take him off to the cafe for some food, leaving that book for us to grab.
Whoa! Come back!
Manny, wake up, quick! We need to find Moley.
Finally, some peace.
Quick, we need to stop her!
Just give me a little nibble of his tail. Oh.
Hey!
What's going on? This ain't in the brochure.
One bite.
Hey, you! Leave him alone!
Oh, please. Just one bite. Just need a little bit. Or just a little bit of wormtail.
Moley, stop! Eat this! This is the treat I tried to give you at the cafe. You see? It's delish.
This is delicious. What is it?
My own recipe, mushroom, mango, and chalky delight.
Yes. It's so tangy and chewy and sweet. Are there other worm-free foods like this one?
Of course. What do you think I live on? Rice and cabbage? Blah.
But what about Lester's smoothie?
I have to say, Lester's smoothies do leave a lot to be desired, but some of his other dishes are awesome. You'll see tonight at the party.
Ooh, yummy. But in the meantime, maybe another one or two of those delicious delights, yeah?
Eat up, guys. Fungi and feta crumble.
Shiitake and slime supreme.
Wow! I had no idea worm-free food could be so delicious. What's wrong, Moley? You don't like the food?
Oh, I do, but I ate so many of Dotty's delights earlier.
Anyone for a tongue-tingling tasty tofu toasty?
No, really, I couldn't eat another thing.
I told you they were Moorish.
Look at them all having fun. One day we'll get that book.
Chalky Delight, they're delicious.
Oh, well, I suppose just the one.
Oh, another happy customer.
Now, where's my hat gone? Ah, there it is. Ooh, ha-ha. Wouldn't say no to a snack. Ah, I see. Trying to turn me off eating worms, are you? Thank you. Oh, Manny. Very funny. Change them back now. Oh, Manny, what are you doing? Oh, look at them. Make them stop. I think I've seen enough worms for a lifetime. Thank you.
I'm so glad you're here to help, Moley. I hope you're ready to have lots of worm-friendly fun.
Yes, sure. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun.
This is awesome! Moley, there are a lot more to worms than you think. You may even find you like them. And I don't mean in a baguette.
I do like them, except for their sliminess. I don't have to touch them, do I?
They're not as slimy as you think. They're slimier. Moley, I have a dream that every worm in Moletown will be cared for. I want people to know that they have feelings too. This adoption event will be the first step in the right direction.
I'm here to help, whatever you need.
Perfect. They'll never recognize you. Now, you remember the plan, Squirmy Wormy? You pose as a poor, sad worm in need of a home. Let's see the face. Come on. Good. Sufficiently sad. Now, once inside, you wait until they're distracted. Then, you open the back door, let me in, and I take the book. Understood? Off you go. What are you waiting for? Thank you. Do the job first. Then, thanks are in order. Off you go.
Come on, you can do it, Moley. Just a little pat on the head. Oh, thank goodness. I'll get it.
Aw, you poor little bundle of slime. Come here. You're safe now. We'll take care of you. Won't we, Moley?
Ugh.
Won't we, Moley?
Yes, of course.
What name should we give you? What do you think?
I don't know. Bob?
That Moley? Doesn't even sound like a worm name at all. How about Mr. Squigglesworth? Come on, Mr. Squigglesworth. Let's get you and the others ready for the adoption. Come along, Moley. First up, feeding time. Hey, Moley, can you help me with the plates? You're not allowed to open that door. I have to keep the back door locked. Worms like to sneak out to dig in the dirt. It takes ages to get them all back inside again.
Look at them. They're more civilized than I thought.
Next on the list, mud baths. Moley, will you help me get them in the baths?
Oh, grubs. Remember, you're doing this for Dotty. not as slimy as I expected.
When I wrap them in their itty-bitty towels, I like to give each of them a compliment. A happy worm is a healthy worm. Why don't you try it with Mr. Squigglesworth? Who's the slimiest worm here? You are. You are.
Well, you're not so bad, are you? This is quite nice, actually. Who's a lovely little wormy? Good-you-goo. Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
And when you wake up, it'll be time for the adoption event. Have a nice nap, everyone!
Sweet dreams, Mr. Squigglesworth. I wonder, what do worms dream about? I think I'm ready for a quick lie down myself.
Couldn't possibly sleep. I'm too excited for the event.
Squirm? Open that door! Quit wasting time! Squirm! Are you listening to me? Get up and open that door! Squirm! Now! Squirm, what do you think you're doing? I swear I will never speak to you again if you do not open that door right now. Is that what you want, Squirm? To lose a friend? Is that what you really want? Finally! Could have had the book hours ago, but you had to have your little spa day. Ha-ha! It's mine now. Little thanks to you. What have you done?
Holy moly, a burglar! Dotty, quick, grab the paint. Excellent work, everyone. Now listen here, thief. Oh my wiggly worms.
Molly, grab him! This is why we always keep that door locked.
Finally. I think that's all of them.
Oh, thank goodness. But I don't understand. Those locks would be impossible to pick from the outside. Who opened the door? No, Mr. Squigglesworth?
Well, listen, you can't blame a worm for digging in the garden, can you? Worms have feelings after all.
Oh, Molly, I love this so much.
nice juicy worm. Friendly worm.
He's so cute. I'll adopt this juicy one. Delicious.
Perhaps I can adopt a volunteer to test out my mini inventions.
Aren't you adorable? And I've just the thing to make you even more adorable.
Oh, look at his little face. Oh, dear. Excuse me, would you like to adopt a worm today?
Oh, yes, but they're not just worms, are they? A worm is more like a good friend, loyal, compassionate, and worthy of our appreciation.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Just the right ratio of sliminess and cuteness. Are you taking him?
Well, if he'll have me... I'm sorry, Squirmy. I'm very, very, very sorry, my little Squirm.
Oh, I'm gonna miss this little guy.
Oh, finally!
Whew, there's a ripe one. Ah, I thought I'd lost you. Oh, Manny, I didn't hear you coming. Oh, I see. Well, then Matador. Okay. Run, cowboy! Hey, that was fun, but I think you've got a bit too bullish. Oh, wiggly worms. Woohoo! Manny, you're a book like no other. Come on, why don't we try walking today? I could use the exercise. What is that noise? Oh, grubs! I said exercise, not exercise. Oh no, not again. Help! There's a freakish egg chasing us.
You mean that egg?
Well, it's more freakish when it's chasing you.
Cool. I wonder what's in there.
Oh no! I bet it is a squirrel!
No, but beware, for that is the egg of a chupacabra.
Oh, don't be fooled. You don't want to wake up what's inside that egg. Alien face suckers. They'll suck your face right off.
I don't want my face sucked off.
Oh no! Everybody, run!
Mama's right on Jimmy, it's alive!
What do you think's inside that thing?
I think we're about to find out.
So awesome!
Oh, look. Hello, little chicken.
Duck! No. Sorry. I just meant that creature is a duck. That's what I meant. Well, duckling, really. Anyway.
Oh. Hey, stop it. It's sucking my face. Oh, no. I think it's just hungry.
Oh, it thinks you're its mummy.
What? Why?
You're the first creature the duckling laid eyes on, so it does think you're its parent. They call it imprinting.
Dotty's right. If we don't get the poor thing back to its real mother by nightfall, it'll forever be one confused duck.
Goodness. How do we find her?
Where did you first encounter the egg?
In the tunnel. I ran left. Or, it could have been right, then down-ish. How am I supposed to remember all this? I was panicking. A giant egg was chasing me.
Then I'll need to reverse engineer its path here. It won't be easy.
If there's anyone who can figure it out, it's you, Unc. Or me. But if not me, you.
Right. Sounds good. Meanwhile, Dotty and I won't let this duckling out of our sight for a second. Oh, grubs on toast.
Come back!
Somebody grab that duck!
Help us catch this crazy parrot!
Duck!
He means it's a duck? Ah, come on, you're ruining the cafe!
Why is it so loud?
It just hatched. That little bundle of feathers is hungry.
You little quacker. Right, let's get you some food while Mishmosh finds your mummy.
Molly, don't let go!
Why'd you tell me to let go?
What? I didn't. I was saying don't let go, not let go. That wouldn't make sense. And oh, Molly, now we've lost it.
Oh, how far could that ball of fluff have gone? Oh, look, see over there.
That's not a worm, silly.
You naughty thing. No, you can't eat that. Let go, let go.
Ducky, wait! Molly, ding dong, are you okay?
Molly, beware, for that is the dreaded Quetzalcoatl.
Duck!
No, Senora. She means this is a duck, not a Quetzalcoatl.
You're right, it does seem too cute to be that.
Senora Maria. Oh, I love your name. I'm sorry, we gotta rush off. We gotta get it back to its mother.
Oh, see, every baby needs its mama. Adios, little Carino. Just like my little Rodrigo.
Oh, Mama.
Calm down. We'll get you some proper ducky food. Oh, gosh, Dotty. I sure hope Mishmosh is making progress.
Molly, there's no mole in all of Moletown more qualified to track down that featherball's home than my Uncle Mishmosh.
What's that N stand for?
Well, aren't you a hungry little quack?
Hey, nice dodo.
Oh, forget it. Thanks.
Hey, Duck, where are you going now?
No, don't follow Brad. There's still a bucket of grubs to eat.
Of course! Like a duck to water! Not that I've ever seen that before.
Oh no, the current's too strong for its tiny, teeny little web feet. Come on, you can do this. Come on, Ducky. Harder, keep paddling. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, work it. You can do this. Come on, paddle harder. Oh, Manny, for grub's sake, save him.
Look, it's flying, I guess?
But first, Manny, that's not dignified. Hang in there, little quacker. I know exactly what to do. Actually, I have no idea what to do.
Oh, we're running out of time. Uncle Mishmosh, where are you?
36-meter vector. Avoid shape. Oops. Forgot to carry the 3.
Oh, not again.
Ducky, go back!
Will you stop it?
Excuse me, wait! Couldn't Manny fly us up there?
Good thinking, Dotty.
Excuse me, do you mind?
Oh, sorry.
Don't mind us. Carry on eating.
Up and away!
Holy, it's getting so late.
I know. Where is that little quacker? There he is. Hey, Ducky, here behind you. He's too fast for us. Even Manny's getting tired.
Hey, wait, I know. Try quacking.
Me? Quacking?
Yes, you. Right now, you're like the only parent it's got. So sound like it. Get quacking.
Okay, here goes. Quack, 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 quack.
Louder, Moley.
Really? This is ridiculous. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, I'm all quacked out. Oh, no. Now what?
I don't know. I didn't plan this far ahead.
Oh, no, don't land on that.
36-degree angle of descent, and... Eureka! Ducky's way home!
Nice work, Manny. That was actually a soft landing.
Easy for you to say.
Uncle Mishmosh!
Oh, sorry, Mishmosh. Are you okay?
Did you find the way home for this little guy?
Yep, this away!
Oh, I hope we're not supposed to follow him.
Oh, finally!
Now, we just need to locate Mommy.
Don't worry, we'll find her. Was that one of you?
Oh, it's the first time they've ever seen each other.
You know what? Even after all this trouble, I'll miss you, you little quacker.
And I'm sure he'll miss you too, Moley.
You really think so?
Oh, yes, I'm certain of it.
You'll always be his first mother.
Okay, Manny, let's go home. I think that was enough exercise for one day.